coming to you today with a DIY that I came up with yesterday, and I want to share with you guys. It's really simple, but it's beautiful as well. It's beautiful Christmas wreath. You're gonna need dollies, and you can purchase these from Dollar Tree or from any other craft store. They're 32 in a pack, and you're gonna need some flowers. I purchased mine from Dollar Tree. You can get yourself some Dollar Tree flowers, or you can go to Joann's or any craft stores that sells those. And then you're gonna need a tulu, and I purchased this from Dollar Tree as well. So this is optional, guys. You don't need to use this, but I like to use it because it makes it look so beautiful. And this is what I'm going to show you how to do today. It's just simple, easy, and it's so beautiful once we finish making it, guys. It's going to be like a Christmas wreath. This is how it's going to look, okay, guys? All you need is one. Now, if you want to put two of them in there to make it look more fuller, guys, to make these look more fuller, you can. Figure I use one, and that can kind of stretch it out. But if you want two of them, you can make it like two, and it makes it look more fuller in there than this one here. It's a choice, so your choice what you want to go with, but I'm going to use it for this one right now just to stretch it out so it can fit into all of them. So you're going to need like 6 of these. Smaller size ones, you're going to need 6 of these as well. 6 small ones is 12 altogether, okay? So you're going to need 6 small and 6 big ones. I think this size here, there's 4 different individual size. Now you want to stay away from the big one and then the medium sized one. You don't need to use that. If you want to use it, you can. Your preference, you could, but then those need actually 2 flowers in it instead of 1 because it's so huge. Use this size here. This is small one, and then there's the medium size. There's not the next one over that one. So let's go ahead and try this one here. I think this one might work, guys. Yep, here we go. So this one here, you just want to do the same thing. Just fold it, put your finger right there, and then fold it over like that, guys. That's what helps me work with it. And what we're gonna do is put some glue right here at the corners of here. You can use the hot glue gun, or you can just use regular glue that will stick this, because once again, just remember this is paper, so it doesn't need nothing heavy at all. So let's go ahead and put that there, glue that on there. So this is what it's gonna look like once you finish, okay? That's how you want it to be. And then you're gonna put your flower, that's where your flower is gonna go right in there, guys. And before you put your flowers, let's go ahead and cut a piece of the tulu, about this size right here. And then we're just gonna fold this like this in half, fold in half to make it look like something like this. Just fold in half, and then we're just gonna glue this in here like that. Right there. It has some sticking out, of course. And then we're gonna glue it right there. It's all set in there. Now you put your flower down in there. You put your flower in there. Make sure that when you put it in there, make sure you have one where it can stick out like this. So glue that down there like that. And then you put some glue right in the back. You don't need much, guys, at all. Just enough so it can stay. And there you have it. Look. Look how easy that was. That was so simple. And that's all you need to do right there. And you just need to make, like I said, 6 of these. And then the smaller ones, we're going to use it to make these size right here. These smaller size, okay? And then you're going to do the same thing to this. Right there you have it, the small ones. There you go. And that's what we're gonna be. So we're gonna need, you glue that down, we're gonna need 6 of these medium-sized one here, okay? And then we're gonna need 6 more small ones, okay? Okay, guys. So you should have 6 individual big ones and then 6 individual small ones. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a paper plate. Now you can use a paper plate, you can use a cardboard, you can use some foam boards. It's gonna be the base of it basically to hold these in place. So what we're gonna do is gather these around. We're gonna be putting them, laying them in the center of the plate. And we're gonna lay it like this. Let me show you guys. I'm sorry guys, I'm working with one hand here. So we're gonna lay it like that. We're gonna lay it like this. Let me take out the plate for right now because this is what you're gonna do for the plate. I'm just gonna lay it on the table here and show you what I mean. I'm gonna lay it like this. One's gonna be down, one's gonna be up. I'm gonna lay another small one right here, with a bigger one there, and another smaller one there, and so on and so forth. The same thing, okay? And until you go all the way around, guys. Until you get all of them in there like that. So just lay it like that. Okay guys, and once you finish laying it, this is how it's supposed to look. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's gorgeous. And we're not finished, so like I said, pretend like the plate is already on there. That's what you're gonna be putting it on top of, okay? So you're gonna lay it down there, and then you're gonna get some more flowers. Now, if you want, you can put more flowers on here, or if not, you can stop right here, and then, of course, glue it to your plate, whatever base you're gonna use, to your cardboard or whatever else. Glue it to the back of that, and then you can leave it like this. Or you can add more flowers, which I think I'm gonna do. Add more flowers there, another one here, another one here, or here, just to kind of cover up the center. And I love that. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that. I'm gonna cover up. That looks so beautiful, guys. Look at that. I love it. I'm loving that, so I like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go ahead and glue it all together, guys. After that, that's it, guys. That's it, we're done. So let's go ahead and try that. Glue right down in the back, the whole back right here. Just one line going straight down, and then put it in place like that. So it's good to set it up like this. That way you know where to put everything at, the spot that it needs to go, okay? Okay, guys, I just glued it all together. So I'm gonna try to glue two of them together, kind of put some glue in between here and just kind of connect them like so. Go ahead and pick it up. See that? Looks really good. So I think we should go ahead and, like I said, you can stop here if you like, guys, and just hang this up in your wall. Let me see. Hang this up on a wall or door or wherever you want to put it. That looks really good. Or you can add some more flowers in the middle of it. I love that, guys. It looks so pretty. Yeah, so let's go ahead and add some more flowers. So let me see how much is in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just in case you want to do that, just put 8 of them in the center, and then you're all set to go. And then hang it up, and there you have your beautiful Christmas wreath. That's it, guys. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And you guys will definitely see me in my next video. I'll probably show you some more creative ideas that I come up with this stuff. All right, guys. You guys see me in the next video. Bye, my YouTubers.